Hi, welcome to the video. In this video, we will have a complete walkthrough of our extension Workflow Studio. This extension deals with the process of creating workflows to automate actions based on specific conditions, saving you time and effort. With this extension, you can easily update the fields of the current module or fields of other related modules concerning the workflow. You can also sum up the fields of a module and update the result in the field of the same or different module with the workflow trigger and actions. Let's dive into the video. First, install the extension from the Zoho Marketplace and follow the on-screen instructions. Once installed, you need to authorize the extension with Zoho CRM. To do so, navigate to the Zoho CRM dashboard and click on the menu icon from the top sidebar, which is represented by the three dots. Select the workflow module from the list. Now click on the Authorize. The Zoho CRM authorization window will be displayed. Click on Accept to allow Zaps to access your Zoho account. Once done, the extension audit page will be displayed. This will list all the successes/failures of every workflow trigger and action. It helps to track any specific actions from a single page. Now let's see how the extension works. To create a workflow, navigate to the Zoho CRM settings. In the automation sections, select Workflow Rules. Here it lists all the existing workflow. To create a new workflow, click on Create Rule. Select the desired module from the drop-down for which you need to create a new workflow. I have selected the Leads module. Then provide the rule name and description. Click on Next. Select the option from the drop-down menu to execute the workflow based on. Here I select Record Action. Based on my record action, my workflow will be triggered. Then select, based on which action, the workflow needs to trigger. That is, create, or edit, delete. I'm selecting Create or Edit. This means, the workflow will trigger whenever the record is created or edited in the Leads module. Enable the checkbox Repeat the workflow whenever the lead is created or edited if you need repeated workflow actions on every trigger. Now click on Next. Select the conditions to which you would like to apply the rule. That is, to execute the workflow based on any specific condition or use it for all leads. Click on Next. The list of all instant actions will be displayed. Select the Magic Field Update. The Workflow Studio of the Update field and some field window will be displayed. To update the field of any module based on workflow, click on the Update field. Select the desired module from the drop-down. As we created a workflow for the Leads module, it shows the leads and related modules. Select the module fields based on which you need to update the related fields. Here I select the mobile number field. Select How to update based on another field or a specific value. Then define the value by either selecting a specific value for the field or retrieving values from another field. I select the Leads module and phone number field. Based on this workflow, whenever the lead is created or edited, the mobile number field will be updated in the phone number field. Click on Save. Provide the desired name and save the workflow. Ensure your work is enabled before executing. Let's check it out. Here I am creating a new lead with the mobile number. Now the workflow condition triggers and the mobile number field is updated in the phone number field. On the audit log, you can see the workflow action and the updated filed status. Now let's configure the SumUp field. For that, I am creating a workflow for the Invoice module. Follow the same steps for creating conditions for the workflow. Selecting the Magic Field Update on the Instant Actions list, click on SumUp Fields. Choose the Lookup module from the drop-down. The Lookup module is the module where the SumUp values get updated. Here I select the Accounts module. As we create the workflow for the Invoice module, it shows all the related fields of invoices in the Sum from Invoices. I select the Total field. That is grand total of all the invoices that need to be summed up. Then select the Lookup field value. In which field do you need to update the summed up value on the selected lookup module? I select the annual revenue field. Based on this workflow, whenever the invoice is created, the grand total of all the invoices of the desired account will be updated in the annual revenue field of that particular account. Click on Save. Provide the desired name and save the workflow. Now let's check it out. I am creating a new invoice for the specific account. You can see the annual revenue for that particular account. Again, I have created the invoice for the same account. Now you can see, the summed up value of all the invoices grand total will be updated in the annual revenue field of that desired account. In this way, you can easily update the field of any module with its related field or the fields of another module using our extension Workflow Studio. Track all updated records, statuses, and modules through the audit log. Filter records by time interval using the filter icon, or search by module name, date, and status using the search icon. This is all you need to know about the extension Workflow Studio. Hope this video will be helpful. Thanks for watching.